How to deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. So first is to open any browsing application that you have, and then using the search bar, enter Snapchat login, and then tap the first result that will appear, which is this, Snapchat login. Now log into your Snapchat account. Now once you're logged in, you will see this menu page, and one of the options provided is this option, delete my account. So tap on this, and then in this text box here, enter your username and your password. Now it says here that your account will be deactivated for 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you don't want your account to be deleted, all you have to do is to reactivate it before the 30th day. And so that is how you deactivate Snapchat account temporarily. Thank you and have a great day.